Howdy team, today we're welding up little pinholes that are caused by rust. They're annoying little buggers that are too small to bother plating. What you need to get yourself is some copper to hold in the back. If you don't have one of these, you can improvise. This is handy. Padlock I flattened, or a bit of brass will do as well, fire poker, something like that. You can always improvise, make it work. These little buggers here, these are the things. Hold the brass in the back, or copper, and set your welder on as low as it can go. It's always good to start your weld out on a bit of scrap, just to get it warm. You're not welding on the copper, you're welding on the steel and you're working your way across, spot by spot. Copper is just taking the heat away. First run is never pretty, but after a grind and a touch-up, she'll be beautiful. After it's all ground out, both sides, it's time to paint it. Always paint your welds. Always clean the area before you paint it, and don't touch the raw metal with your skin because it will make it rust down the line. Because it's the middle of winter here and it's raining, painting is not very good. I just heat the metal up before I paint it. I use zinc. This is weld through and rust protection. If you don't want your can to block, give it one last squirt upside down. Clears your nozzle. So it's raining too much now, so I'm going to call it a day. I don't like getting too much moisture in here. Next step will be spot welding it back on once we've got all the other rust on the cowling done. It's a long way off. Hope you've enjoyed my first ever video for my new channel, the DIY Guy. Take care everyone, enjoy, please like and subscribe and have fun, and good luck with your projects. Cheers.